Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best USB-C cables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cable Matters 40 gigabits per second Thunderbolt 4 cable. There is something to be said for the simplicity of getting the most capable USB-C cable you possibly can, and right now, an Intel-certified Thunderbolt 4 cable like this one will meet all your needs. It carries 100 watts, enough to charge a laptop, and it can transfer data at up to 40 gigabits per second. It's capable of serving an 8K display or two 4K displays. It supports both DisplayPort Alt Mode, DP Alt Mode, and USB Power Delivery, USB PD, including PPS, which enables fast charging for certain Samsung devices, and it is backward compatible with all earlier standards. The two shorter length cables are passive, and the 6.6-foot cable is active. Active cables have an extra chip inside to help them push data further without degradation. I've been testing the two shorter cables and have yet to find anything they can't do. The cables come with a 1-year limited warranty in the US. Moving on at number 4, we have the Anker USB 4 Gen 2 cable. If you're looking for a USB-C to USB-C cable that can handle fast charging and speedy data transfers, look no further than this Anker cable, USB 4 Gen 2. It is rated to carry 240 watts, meaning it can power the beefiest MacBook Pro and transmits data at up to 20 gigabits per second, GBPs. It's USB-IF certified, which means it has been tested to ensure it complies with standards set by the USB Implementers Forum. Anker describes it as bio-based because around 40% of the exterior is made from corn and sugarcane. The downside? It's only 3 feet long. At number 3, we have the Monoprice USB Type-C to Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 cable. You can save a few dollars by going with this USB-C to USB-C cable, and you don't have to sacrifice, because it is capable of 100-watt charging and 10 gigabit per second data transfer. You can even use this cable to connect a laptop to a 4K display. So what's the catch? Well, it is very short, finished in plain black plastic, quite thick with relatively long connectors, and not very flexible. But these specs at this price make it a total bargain. It is USB-IF certified and comes with a lifetime warranty. I also recently tried the Nimble Power Knit Travel Kit, $30, which comprises 2 5-inch cables for charging on the go. They are also braided, made from 100% recycled materials, and come in a handy fabric travel pouch. At number 2, we have the Anker Prime USB-C to USB-C cable. Perhaps you just want a cable that will charge all of your gadgets at the maximum possible speed and you don't care about data transfer. If so, the Anker Prime is the USB-C cable for you. The braided nylon exterior is tough and made from 100% recycled plastic. Anker promises this cable will last a century, and it can operate in temperatures from -40 degrees to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. I love the ribbed cuffs because they make it easier to grip for plugging and unplugging. It is USB-IF certified and comes with a lifetime warranty. And finally, at number 1, we have the SBC to USB-C cord. If you want to avoid contributing any more plastic to the world, these cables might tempt you. They boast an eco-friendly build with a flexible knit fabric finish crafted from certified recycled plastic and aluminum that looks and feels lovely and promises to last. Wired Reviews editor Julian Chokatu has been using a few of these for years with 0 issues. Available in 3 lengths with a 2-year warranty, they charge at a rate that should be good enough for most portable devices, but they're slow for data transfer. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.